student, this is Pankaj Kumar. Welcome to Bullseye channel. Students, in this video we are going to learn the ray diagram of compound microscope and its magnification. This is also very important question, student, in optics. So as I told you, student, whenever we need to deduce an expression, at first what we have to do? We have to draw the figure. In optics, always bear in mind that at first we need to draw the figure, then write the statements, after that whatever the mathematical calculation we have to do. In this way we can find an expression of anything in optics. So today in this video, watch and listen. This is the ray diagram of compound microscope and we are going to find out the magnification of compound microscope. This is ray diagram which you have to do and which you have to practice also. So this is object, look, this one is object AB, this one is first image A dash and B dash, and this one is the second image A double dash and B dash. There would be the angle of alpha and beta, and this one is object distance which is also known, here it is D, and this one is image distance which is V. These are lenses L1 and L2. Now the statement, as I told you, in your own words you can write, or something it should be pertaining to physics language. It consists of two converging lenses placed in two cylindrical tubes which can be slid into one another. All these two lenses, students, this is fixed, not fixed. It can be, varied. It can be slightly moved from each other. दोनों को move कर सकते हैं हम लोग हल्का फुल्का और vary कर सकते हैं इसके positions को, so that image के formation को सही तरह से justify किया जा सके. So now there is a achromatic combination of convex lens. दोनों लेंसों के बीच में achromatic कॉम्बिनेशंस होता है. दैट्स व्हाई इसको शेड करने के लिए इस ट्यूब्स के बीच में जो स्पेस है उसको आप यूज कर सकते हो, विच इज यूज्ड टू ऑब्जर्व द इमेज एंड लेंस कैन बी वेराइड यूजिंग रैक एंड पिनियन अरेंजमेंट. दिस इज नॉन एज रैक एंड पिनियन अरेंजमेंट. नाउ स्टूडेंट, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मैग्निफिकेशन. सो जस्ट राइट डाउन हियर मैग्निफिकेशन. You know, in the case of compound microscope, tube length would be L, that is focal length of object plus focal length of image. Beta is equal to A dash B by A dash C2 according to figure, and alpha equal to AB by D. So the magnification equal to A dash B dash by AB into D by C2 A dash, where A dash B dash by AB is equal to VO by U. That means image divided by object, and C2 A dash is equal to minus UE. Minus why? You know, object length always in negative. So the magnification equal to VO by U minus D by UE. Again you put V by U is into D upon UE. This is the general formula for the magnification. This is general formula for the magnification. So as we know from the eye lens, VE is equal to D. I suppose here in this, according to this figure, V is equal to D, U that is object, this one is image, this one is object, object is that is also equivalent to UE or minus D. Similarly, you can write U is equal to minus UE and focal length that is FE. This is eyepiece, this is object and this is image. Now then, put these all values in the formula 1 upon F equal to 1 upon D minus 1 by U. You can write, therefore 1 by UE is equal to 1 by focal length of image minus 1 by D. Hence we can find out the correct magnification. M is equal to V upon U E1 plus D upon F. Sometimes when we have to solve compound microscope numericals, the numerical based on compound microscope, with the help of this formula you can solve. Magnification equal to L into D upon F1 into Fe. What is L, students? L, that means length of the tube. D, obvious distance 25 cm we need to take, and FO, focal length of object, and FE, focal length of image. Using this formula we can solve and we can find out the magnification of compound microscope. So students, I hope with the help of this video you can understand that how can you find out the magnification of compound microscope. But as I told you, figure should be important. After writing this statement, the general concept or mathematical concept you have to practice. Thanks for watching.